Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Eureka PowerSpeed Pet Turbo Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: has a 12.6-inch wide floor nozzle, giant dust cup, pocket-free design, 5 flexible height adjustment settings for a variety of spaces, adapts easily between hard floors and deep carpets. This vacuum is also great for several different floor types. It has 5 height adjustments that are easy to switch between. Some are better suited for hard flooring, while others deliver a deep clean for carpets. This vacuum can also be used on high plush carpets as long as the correct height is used. Nothing is more annoying than having to stop your cleaning in order to empty the dustbin. This vacuum uses a 6-liter dustbin. It can hold tons of dust and debris before you need to empty it. It also uses 2 dustbins. When one dustbin is filled, you can fill up the other one. You'll be able to clean your entire home without stopping to empty the vacuum. You also don't have to struggle with vacuum bags. It uses a canister. Once the vacuum is full, you simply eject the canister and dump it into the trash. Your hands stay clean, and you don't have to worry about buying more vacuum bags. That makes this vacuum even more affordable. This vacuum comes with tons of different tools. You'll receive a crevice tool for getting into tight areas that your vacuum head can't access. It also has a dusting brush that allows you to brush off the dust from lamps, tables, and other objects. Once the dust hits the floor, you can pick it up with the vacuum. Another tool that it has is an upholstery tool. This tool is gentle on upholstery but powerful enough to pick up crumbs, hair, and other debris that may be lurking on your furniture. One of the most exciting tools is the Turbo Pet brush. This is a high-powered brush with strong suction power. Pros: strong suction power is the unique point of this product. It helps you clean more in less time. Pet Turbo brush to pick up stubborn pet hair. Comes with an XL dust cup. Cons: due to its size and the hose's length, cleaning high or tight areas is a bit difficult.